Hello, this is how you can insert automatic table of content when working in Microsoft Word. Now, what you have to do is that select your main headings and change the heading style to heading 1. Just this way, change the heading style to heading 1. Now, after that, select the subheadings and change the heading style to heading 2. Change the heading style to heading 2 this way. All the subheadings. Now, once you are done, go to a blank page where you want to have your table of content and go to the References tab, and then you see Table of Content. Just click on Table of Content this way, and then you can select any of these styles. Then you can just click on it, and then you have your automatic table of content. You can see how beautifully arranged it is. Thank you very much. That's what I want to cover in this lesson. If you find it useful, come on, give me a thumbs up. Thank you.